Today I'll be reciting Madagascar 2 from Alex to Marty. Marty, look, I know you're in there. Before I go, I've got something I want to say. You've been a great friend. You've helped me so often to see the bright side of my problems that I never think of you as having any. I wasn't there for you when you needed me, just like back at the zoo. What kind of friend does that make me? Pretty lousy friend, I guess. Well, I just want you to know that you're one in a million. So could you please turn around so I can tell you that to your face? That's right. Gotcha. I see you in there. Yeah, you. That's right. You. Right there. 12th row. 203rd from the left. That's you, Marty. I know it's you. You know what makes you special? These guys. They're white with black stripes. You're black with white stripes. You're a dreamer, Marty. You always have been. You've got great taste in music and horrible taste in friends. Not Melman and Gloria, but me. No, Marty, you can't come with me.